What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this amazing wreath using Dollar Tree products and some other items from Walmart. So if you want to see how I made this wreath, just stay tuned.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square.
Alright, so the items you're going to need to create your wreath is, of course, a wreath. And I got this from Walmart for $2.88. So super cheap. And then I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up some little flowers and bows and some acorns and stuff of that nature. Stuff that you want for, to put on your wreath. And the items that I wanted. And then I picked this up from Walmart as well. It is some lights that I can use, and they're wired to put on my wreath. And I have my hot glue gun and my hot glue sticks because that's what I'm going to use to put my items on my wreath today. But those are the items that you're going to need, so let's get started. Okay, so I have my hot glue gun plugged in. That's warming up. So while that's warming up, I'm going to go on and get the lights on first. So just open this up. Alright. And let's see. This is the battery pack. Let's make sure these work. So I got some batteries. Open it up. Alright, so, there we go. Come on. And we need 3 batteries. Make sure this works before we get it all put together and everything, It says AAA, right? Yeah, AAA. Alright, let's make sure she works. Where's the button? Alright, she works. There's on. She'll blink. Okay. Alright, so let's turn that off. Click. And put this back on. And get in there. There we go. And how is this wrapped together like that? Okay, so I got this all unraveled. And now we're just going to wrap it around the wreath. Maybe I should turn it on. Let's turn it on so we can see where the lights are going, huh? That would be smart. There we go. So I can see what's going on. Oops. Wrong way. 1, 2. Alright. We're tangled. We're trying to get untangled, y'all. There we go. I'm going to put the back. Alright, so I want to make sure we have lights going all over so people can see. There we go. Alright, so I think that looks good in the placement of the lights. Yeah, just a little bit. That's all I'm going for too. So that's good. And I'm going to put that on the back. So now let's get started, and we're gonna glue our flowers on first. Oops, so let me grab the little flowers I want to use. And we're gonna glue those on, and I think I'm gonna go like, let's see, put like a silver one, a red, a silver. Yeah, I think that works. So I don't have to super glue these because these do clip on. So I'm just gonna clip that on there. Oops. I want to make sure this light stays right there. I'm gonna pull that string back though. All right. So these clip on. They have little clips on them. So I'm just gonna clip it on. So those don't have to be glued on. So that's cool. So we can change this out if I want to. So those are on there, but these ones I am going to have to glue. So I'm just going to take off, cut off a little excess string. And get some hot glue. And stick that on. So we're just going to stick that acorn on. And then I'm going to do that with the rest. Just cut off the little excess. Oops. Dropping things. These are supposed to be like ornaments, but I'm not using it that way. And just stick the acorn in there. Excess. The area where I want to put the acorn. Super cute. Let's cut the excess off. And it's a super easy, fun project. I wanted to do this with my kids, but they're busy, so hey, it is what it is, right? Get that string off of there. And then I'm going to glue 2 more at the top. I think I'm going to move this flower just an inch. See? Good thing it's on a clip, right? And where that flower was, I'm going to put another acorn. And I think we are good. I'm going to move this flower an inch so I can glue on another acorn. Right here at the top. There we go. Super cute. Now at the bottom, I have one of these like bell. Oops. I have one of these bells that comes with like a red flower and so forth. I think I'm going to put that right here at the bottom and probably put some acorns around it. So let me move the light out the way. And we are going to get this all hot glued into place. There we go. And put some on this back side of it. Make sure that's in place, and need another stick going. I want to make sure that that's going to stay and not go anywhere. Oops. Get those little strings out the way. So that's down there, and now I'm going to take some more acorns and place them around this bell. So just cut off our excess. And just put a little where I want it to be. Alright. And I'm folding up that little gold ribbon because I really don't want that to show. So I'm trying to cover that up as much as possible. So I'm going to put some hot glue on it and then glue the red leaf down on it. And then take another acorn. And we're going to put one on this side. There we go. Trying to use all of it up, you guys. And we're going to put one right at the top too. Just kind of like a little acorn with the flower thing going on. Alright. Make sure everything sticks together nice and cute. And last but not least, okay, now we're just going to make sure the lights fall where we need them to fall. Without having no issues. Alright. Make sure I get all my glue string out the way too. So now I'm going to take my pretty bow that I got from the dollar store. All these items came from the dollar store, so that is like super cool. One thing I got from Walmart was the lights and the wreath. So, and this comes with a clip too, so you don't even have to super glue this on. So let me take it off. Oops. So it actually comes with a clip, as you can see. And it has paper in the clip. There you go. But it comes with a clip. So you don't even have to glue this on. And I'm just going to clip it on right there. Super cute. And voila. This is our wreath. Alright, so this is the finished product, you guys. I am all done making my wreath, and it was super cheap, under $10. Can't beat that. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have an amazing holidays and a happy new year with your loved ones. Okay, so until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.